I knew it'd be much easier to grab just one pan at a time and it would expand to fit my cabinets exactly. But would it scratch them? Would they slide around in the cabinet? Would it last over time? I've had these for a year now. Because it's heavy metal and the dividers are protective coating that does not slide and it does not scratch, and I've been able to adjust it for wider when the cabinet allows and narrower when there is a divider within. And because it's adjustable, all of the cookware stays upright, separated no matter the size. Before, most of the space was wasted because it wasn't stored vertically and I had to take everything out, unstack, restack. I just wasted a lot of time. But with this, the installation takes minutes. There's no tools required. You literally just set it in the bottom and then you can load in your dishware, adjusting the width to meet the needs of all of your different pots, pans, dishingware, servingware, etc. It doesn't slip, it doesn't slide. It stays in place and allows you to maximize horizontal and vertically within the cabinet so you can fit as many pots and pans as needed, solving the problem of cluttered cabinets vertically. Instead of stacking everything and digging around, you can grab exactly what you need only, and it's fully adjustable as well. So after a year, my favorite things. Love that it's non-slip, it's stable, it vertically stores everything. It couldn't be easier. It's expandable for the width, custom fit of any cabinet I want to use it in. I love it's fully adjustable on the fly, on the go, whenever I need it to. Coated steel is durable. It's held up really well for me, and it's just fitting everything exactly as I need. No matter if I add pots, pans, or get rid of them, it doesn't matter. Bottom line, if kitchen organization has been stressing you out, this is such an easy solution. It's held up great for me and it's a no-brainer. If this video was helpful in making a purchasing decision, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.